We had 30-mile-per-hour winds this morning with some rain, pretty heavy thunderstorms, and we ran out of electricity and water. And we found out that down here at our 1915 house, there was a huge tree that came down. There, it fell down, ran into the road, took a pecan tree down with it, but thankfully, it totally missed the house. That big oak came down and just barely missed the dumpster. And it barely missed the edge of the house. But it kept going, knocked out that part of that pecan tree, and went all the way out into the road. Looks like we have a lot of cleanup to do.